I'm Dr. Saranya. I'm a pediatric dentist practicing in Bangalore. I have done my graduation from Chennai and my post-graduation, that is MDS, from Oxford Dental College, Bangalore. I have my own practice, Krishna Dental Studio in Koramangala, Bangalore, and I'm also associated with multiple clinics and hospital as a consultant pediatric dentist. So it is important to start brushing the child's mouth and start cleaning the child's mouth even before the first tooth comes in. You can use a piece of gauze or a cloth wrapped around your finger to keep the gum pads clean before the tooth erupts. Once the first tooth erupts, you can start training the child and getting them used to brushing by using a finger silicone brush. As the more and more teeth erupt, you can slowly move on to bigger brushes, but brushes with a bigger handle and a small head is most appropriate. The small head is going to help in taking the brush to every corner of the mouth, and the bigger handle is more comfortable for the adult who is the caregiver to hold the brush and comfortably brush the child's mouth. As the child grows older, you can slowly move on to age-appropriate toothbrushes that are available in the market. It is just important to make sure that the brush head is small so that the child stays comfortable during the brushing. As the child grows older, it is okay to move on to an electric toothbrush if the child is cooperative and it is also comfortable for the parent and to maneuver the brush in the mouth, and it is easier for the child also to adapt to an electric toothbrush.